Lesson number 4. Name of the chapter is Green Earth. It is continued chapter, right? Which lesson we are doing? Lesson number 4 of general knowledge, Green Earth. It is continued chapter, right? Last class also we have done, we were on the same chapter. Okay, in the last class we have done with this page, right? Do you remember what is given on this page? And we have spoken about what? Banyan trees. Yes or no? Do you remember, or with a gap of 1 week you have forgotten everything? So we will have small recap of what we have done in the last class, right kids? Okay, here last class we have spoken about banyan tree. Okay, lot of information about banyan tree I have given you all. Okay, so that was our related to the first question. What is our first question here saying? We have to identify the trees. Okay, and they have given us question as who am I? And the first question is, I am a holy tree planted near temples. Lord Buddha rested under me for meditation. I am called Dash. So the banyan tree given here. Can you see that? 1 second. Now you banyan, because tree word is already given to us, correct? Okay. So let's go back and see what. This is our lesson. Okay, this is a picture of a banyan tree, such a huge tree, right? Beautiful and huge tree. So banyan tree, what? Banyan tree specialty is what? It is our national tree. It is found all over our country. This tree lives, means its life is very long. Okay, and Hindu people worship it. Okay, so it is considered as sacred by the Hindus. It is very huge in size. Okay, and it has got a canopy, large canopy type. You can see this. I will show you what do you mean by canopy. See, you can see this part. See how it is, right or not? Okay, so this is called as it has got a large canopy. Okay, canopy is just like a chat. How Shivaji Maharaj used to have good, very nice canopy, right? Okay. Banyan tree have strangled twigs. They have large and glossy green leaves. The leaves are very large and they are shining. So it is called as glossy. Okay. They bear red colored edible fruits. Edible means which we can eat. And the color of the fruit is what? Red. Okay. They have, means what we are talking about, they means we are banyan trees, right? Banyan tree means they have a very huge root system. Okay, the root system is also very huge, as the tree is very huge. Okay, to make it stand, okay, so it will need support. So its root system is also very protect people. See, whenever we are tired and we are walking on the road and it is harsh sun rays going on, what we do? We find it, if we wanted to rest for a while, what we do? We find a tree and stand under the tree, right? So as this banyan tree has got a very large canopy, very big canopy, right? You understood what is canopy? I showed you just now. Okay, so because of its large canopy, many people can take a shield. It can use it as a shield, and it protects the people from the harsh sun rays. They go there and take rest because it gives shade. Okay. It's leaf. Now talking about leaves. Leaves means you know, no? Yes. Bark, seeds, and fig. All these things are used to treat many diseases. As I told you last time, it is very useful tree. Correct? Its all parts are used for some or the other thing. Okay, so like leaf, bark, seeds, and figs are used to treat many diseases. Okay, kids? Okay. Its wood and the bark are also used for making papers. We use papers in our books, right? From where do we get these papers? Papers are made from wood. And from where we get wood? We get wood from various trees. So banyan trees wood is also used in making papers. Right, kids? The aerial roots of the banyan tree are used for making ropes. Now aerial roots means which are in air. Mostly roots are down, right? But here we have got aerial roots. Here I will show you. These roots you can see. Okay. So as well as here also. So these are also used for making what? They are used for making. They are used for making ropes. Okay. The aerial. Now understood aerial. Aerial means what? Something which is there in air. The aerial roots of the banyan are used for making ropes. Ropes means you understand what is rope? Rope means rassi. Okay. So we called what? So we says that banyan tree is very useful tree. Yes or no? It is very useful tree. Correct, kids? Okay. Now last time I have shown you this picture. What it is? It is which plant? Cactus plant. It has got different shapes. Correct? Do you remember? And I told you in the next class we will talk about cactus plant. Right, kids? Now let us see what is there. We have done with this worksheet also. I have even given you some extra knowledge about octopus. Do you remember? We have seen this picture. What was in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a fish. Up you can see the picture of a fish. What does the fish do? What it is doing now here? Nicely swimming in the water. Yes. Okay, so now here we are talking about the fish breathes with the help of gills. And we people breathe with the help of what? Nose. Yes, nose and lungs. Yes. But the fish, which is a water animal, aquatic animal, you can say, it uses its gills to breathe. Now below what you can see here, octopus. Octopus is also an aquatic animal, right? Like fish, octopus also live in water. So octopus also uses its gills to breathe, right, kids? Now something different which I have told you about octopus. Now you understood which is octopus? The below picture. Can you see this? This is octopus. See, you can see it has got 8 tentacles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's behind also. Okay. So here what I wanted to tell you all is an octopus has 3 hearts. Why we are surprised here by listening 3 word? How many hearts do we have? Come on, kids. We have only 1 heart. How many hearts? 1 heart. Correct. But this octopus has got 3 hearts. Okay. Now what is this heart doing? Let us see. The 1 heart pumps blood to the body. Okay. Out of the 3 heart, 1 heart pumps blood to the body. And the other 2, What about other two? The other two hearts pump blood to the gills. And what is this function of a gills? Gills helps in breathing, right? Because octopus breathe with the help of gills. Okay? And so only the other two hearts pump blood to the gills. Okay, kids? This is what we have done in the last class. Correct, kids? Okay, now as I told you, we will talk about cactus. Which plant? Cactus. Okay. Now cactus is also called as cacti. C-A-C-T-I. What it is called as cacti. Okay. You might have seen aloe vera plant. That is also a type of cactus plant, right? So cactus is a desert plant. Actually, the origin of cactus is from deserted area, right? So it is a desert plant. Desert means, Registan, where there is shortage of water, right? Where there is too much of sand everywhere. Okay, so the cactus, which is also called as cacti, is a desert plant. Correct, kids? They grow in dry places. Where do they grow? In dry places, as desert area is dry only, right? Where other plants have trouble living. Other plants needs lot of water, okay? And even they cannot, most of the plant need fertile soil, which includes water also, okay, moist fertile soil to grow. So these cactus plants do not need all such things. So it can grow in a dry place, okay, and it can live in a dry place as it is a desert plant. Now what about next? They have thick tissues inside them, right? These tissues can store large amount of water in them, okay. If you have seen anytime aloe vera plant, and if your parents might have seen it, if we cut the leaves of a plant, what happens? Cool. On the surface, okay. Waxy substance means, you know about candle. Candle is made of wax, and if you touch a candle, the surface of the candle is how? Smooth, as it is. So that type of substance is there on its surface, on the surface of the cacti plant, okay. Surface can be flat or covered with ridges, okay. It depends upon plant to plant which type of cacti it is. It can, if it can have flat surface or else rigs on it. Cacti have spines instead of leaves. It do not have leaves, it has got spines. Spines grow in different patterns on the plant's surface. On the surface of the plants, spines grow in different pattern. Now these cacti are also protected by sharp spines or needles. This plant is protected because of protected from others, because of what? Because of its spines, which are needle pointed as needles, okay, very sharp. Some cacti also have flowers and branches, okay. Few of the cacti bear flowers, and even they have branches also, okay. You can see behind various type of cactus. Okay, kids, do you like Shinchan? Have you seen the cartoon Shinchan? Okay, on this topic only, like cactus. Okay, Shinchan has got one movie named as, I think so, Kata Laga something. Okay, in that movie they have spoken about this cactus. Okay, the movie is completely based on cactus. It was very beautiful, nice movie. If you get time and if you're watching television, you watch that movie. You'll get it somewhere on the YouTube or Disney World. Okay. Now let us see. Come back to our studies. Cactus. Now, what is this cactus? So nice, different. You can see the flowers behind. Yeah. Okay, and can you see the different shapes of the plant? It grows in different shape. Correct? Okay. Now, cactus belongs to the plant family Cactea that can store what? Just now we have spoken about it. It can store a large amount of water. And why it is storing large amount of water? Because every living thing needs water, right or not? Every living thing needs water to survive. And so only this plant store large amount of water in itself and survive in extreme hot and dry habitats. Habitats means climate. Okay, places. Okay, though outside there is too much hot and the climate is very dry also, but this cactus plant has got large amount of water inside it, and because of the same it can survive in this dry climate, dry habitats. Correct? Hot and dry habitats. Is it clear to you all, kids? Okay. Now, depending on the species, cactus can live between, means there are different species. Like human beings, few of them live up to 40 age, 50 age, 60 age. Few of them live up to 100 also age, more than 100 also. Similarly, in this plant also, depending on different species, the life of the plant is between 15 to 300 years also. Minimum of cactus plant lives at least for 15 years, but it can maximum live up to 300 years depending upon its species, right? Now there are about 2000. Can you imagine 2000? I'm saying 2000 types of cactus, and they come in different shapes. Just now I've shown you so many different shaped cactus plants, right? Okay. And the size and the color, they have got different shapes. The size is also different and the colors are also different. Once again, we will see that. 1 minute. See, you can see this. I will enlarge it for you all. Can you see this picture? See, size, color, shape, different, right? Okay. So what we have seen here, different shapes, size and colors. And there are how many types? 2000 types of cactus. Okay. Now cactus stems are succulent, thick, fleshy and photosynthetic. This is very high class for you all. You can only keep in mind that cactus, as you are in first standard, you can keep only in mind 2 words like cactus stems are thick and fleshy. How are they? They are thick and fleshy. Cactus have spines instead of leaves and grow in clusters. Okay. And they are called as areoles. Can you see the picture? Yes. Okay. The size of the spines. Can you see the spine shown in the picture? Can vary from species to species. Okay. Different species have got different size of spines. And they can be as long as 15 centimeter. Okay. 15 centimeter means, I think so, you can imagine your scale, a big scale, correct? And the big scale, half the big scale. Or you can think about small scale also. Scale means I'm talking about ruler. Okay. Okay. So what we have seen here, they are saying the size of these spines can vary from species to species. Species means अलग-अलग जाति से different होता है, right? And they can be as long as 15 centimeter. Okay, उनकी लंबाई 15 सेंटीमीटर तक बड़ी हो सकती है. The outer layer of the stem has a waxy layer. Just now we have spoken about it. A waxy layer. Wax means what? The candle is made of wax. And how is the surface of it? Structure of it? Yes, same type of structure it has got on this, the outer layer of this plant, which reduces water loss. And because of that, it is also because of some purpose. The outer side of the stem is waxy because so that the plant will not reduce water. Okay, it should not have water loss. Water loss means, you understand? See, if you keep a dish in a hot sun with a very small little amount of water, like 1 spoon, okay, and when the sun is very harsh, keep it for 1 hour or more than 1 to 2 hours. After some time, what you will find? You'll find that water got evaporated. Because of what? Because of the heat of the sun. Okay, similarly, from the surface of the plant, the water should not get lost because of the hot climate. So only its surface is waxy, so that it helps the plant to reduce its water loss. Can you understand this, what I'm saying, dear? Okay. See, if you see a candle, if you have candle at home, later on what you can do it, try to put some water drops on it. You'll find that water will spill out of it. Okay, it will not observe it. Right? Similarly, because of the waxy surface, water from the inside of the plant do not get lost because of the heat of the sun. Means it get lost to some extent, but not to the more extent. Okay. Cactus are very good at conserving water. They are a very good plant and they conserve water, especially during long dry periods. Okay. They have got capacity to conserve lot of water during the long dry period. Okay, kids? Now, what you can see here? Yes, this picture, what I wanted to show you, that see, cactus also bears flowers. Okay, the size and the shape of flowers depends on the species of the cactus. Correct? You see, such a beautiful pink color flower is this, and it is, you can see the size and shape also. Nice shape, right? Many of these flowers are nocturnal. Now, this is a new word for you all, nocturnal. What do you mean by nocturnal? See, most of your animals like tiger is an best example of nocturnal animal. Okay, here the word is nocturnal. Can you see this? Nocturnal. Nocturnal means what? What? They are night animals. Okay, they are night animals. They are awake during the night time, and they even can see. Nocturnal animals can see during night time. Okay. So this nocturnal means what? Here they wanted to say many of these flowers are nocturnal, means they blooms only at night. Blooms means you can see these flowers blooming. Yes. So they blooms open up only at night. Why? Because they are nocturnal. And as I told you, nocturnal means they are awake during night time, and they mostly sleep during daytime. Correct? The best example is of bat. Bat means not you're playing bat. I'm talking about what we say it as chamgadad, right, in Hindi. Okay, is a night animal, nocturnal animal. Even tiger is also an example of nocturnal animal. Okay, what you can see here on the screen, have you all eaten this fruit? I have eaten this fruit during when I was admitted in hospital for dengue. Okay, it's called as dragon fruit. What is the name of the fruit? Dragon fruit. It's very costly. Okay, but it is very nutritious. So this dragon fruit is what? Yes, it is also a fruit of a cactus plant. So what is given here? Let us read. Certain kinds of cactus have fruits that are popular. This dragon fruit is very popular and it's costly also. It's popular as well as it's popular source of food. And this name of the fruit is what? Dragon fruit. Okay. Wide. Okay, they are saying largest species of cactus. Largest means very biggest one, largest one. Okay, species of cactus can reach up to 66 feet. Now, do you know what is feet? Okay, I just now I've spoken about ruler, scale, which we use in mathematics to draw lines. Okay, the whole big scale, not smaller one. I'm talking about the big scale is 1 feet. Okay, and they are saying like that 66 feet in height. So larger species of cactus can reach up to how much? 66 feet in height, and the smallest one have only few inches in height. Smallest of we have seen many times in the market as well as planted in many houses, right? But this largest one, you can imagine 66 feet is so big. Okay. Water from cactus has higher density compared with tap water. It has got higher density. It means you can, in short, you can say it is very safe for drinking. Okay. Regular consumption of cactus juice, if regularly, it is said like that, but before taking an advice from doctor, you should not have it. But it is said that if we consume cactus juice regularly, it will help you to eliminate deadly viruses. Eliminate means remove from our body. Okay. And even it is saying that it will protect us from premature aging. Premature aging. It will protect us from premature aging. Okay. But before consulting doctor, we should not have any such things in our daily diet. Right, kids? Almost all cactus are native to desert. Means they are saying mostly all the cactus are from the deserted area and the dry region, of which from the South and the North America. You see various different type of cactus are shown here in the picture. So beautiful. Just expand and show you all. Can you see? Nice, beautiful, different shape, different colors. Flowers are grown. Okay, which one do you like? I do like every plant here, and all the colors of the flowers also and the shapes also. Yeah, it's so different and beautiful. Correct, kids? Okay. Okay, now let's come back to our lesson. Okay, now we have spoken about cactus, correct kids? Okay, now let us see what is given here. Fourth question. I'm talking about your fourth question. Can you see the fourth question here? We'll come back to second question again because that second and third and even this fourth one we have done it last time, right? Now see, fourth question, what they are saying. I grow in deserts. I have thorns. Means there say I am there and write the answer. Now you know what to know it. Come on, let us expand the answer and see, expand the picture. You can see this, what it is, cactus. The answer is what? Cactus. And it is at which place? C. So our answer is what? Here, C. Here we will write C and once again, I will first concise it. Here we will draw a line, dash here, correct? Here we will draw a dash. Here we will write C. In this box you will write C. As our answer is cactus, because cactus grow in desert. It has got thorns as well. Its stems, water is stored in its stem, right? Okay. Now let us see the third one also. I grow very fast. I grow very tall. I belong to the grass family and I can bend down to you your toe. And what I am called as? Come on, my kids. What it is called as? Think this one we have last time discussed. If you can answer me in the chat box. Yes, my dear kids. Correct. It is bamboo tree. And last time we have learned about bamboo. That what? It is the fastest growing plant. See, you can see down. Your fun fact is given, shown here. Fun fact, bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. Correct, kids? So here our answer is bamboo tree. Okay. Okay, come on. The answers will be shared with you all in the, on the group. Don't worry. Okay, so don't write anything now. Just try to understand. Let us see the second one which you have left. I generally grow near sea. My fruits are hard from outside and soft from inside. I am very tall and my stems are very long. I am called dash tree. Come on. It's so easy. Near sea, which mostly which trees we find near sea, as well as which fruit is harder from outside and soft from inside. Come on, one more hint I'm giving you from inside. It is white color. It has got water also inside it. And from outside, you can see if it is raw, it is green. When it gets dried, it becomes brown. Come on. Correct. I think so. You people are guessing correctly. Yes, what it is, what you can see on the screen. Here, this one. Correct. It is coconut tree. Coconut is hard from outside, soft from inside. And mostly coconut trees are found near sea. So our answer is coconut tree. Now let us see where is this coconut tree, what option it is at. B. So what we will write in this box? In this box we will write B, right kids? And here we will write coconut. And what is the spelling of coconut? C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Okay, I'm not writing in the box. I will write it big so that you all should be able to see. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Don't write it now. Okay, my dear, don't write it now. Later on, you will get notes on your group. Okay, so our answer is coconut. Okay, now let us see what is given on the next page. Fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Okay, so in the next class, we will talk about fruits, vegetables, and flowers, as well as I will give you some extra information about bamboo tree, correct, and coconut tree, how they are useful and important. Correct, kids? Now it's time to wind up.